So this is HBCU Into the Future. Again, I'm Nichole.
And my name is Bishara Abdul-Hamid. Sincerity is my only credential. The problem is the lack of exposure to historically Black colleges and universities, and the lack of information regarding admissions, technologies offered, and financial resources available to HBC students. Our solution is to get information to students and parents about applying to HBCUs while understanding specific financial and technology resources available. We provided a geolocation map of historically Black colleges and universities in the United States with a list of relevant initiatives for each HBCU school.
So at any time during our presentation, feel free to use the QR scanner to connect with us on LinkedIn. What you're seeing now is a visual of our actual app. So on the homepage, we have a rolling carousel of the top 10 HBCUs as of January 2020. If you scroll down the app, you can see what we're offering on our app. We are including admissions information, technology offered, financial aid information, and our goal is that you will explore, expand, and experience HBCU culture. If you scroll back to the top of the app, you'll see our menu list. I'm going to show you our list of HBCUs. We have a page on the app where you can see the 104 accredited HBCUs, as well as some of them that are no longer operational. These universities are listed in alphabetical order. So as you scroll down, you can see the list of the different universities. Each of the schools featured their official university crest, the name of the university, and from our app, you can visit their website directly by clicking on Visit Website, or you can stay within our app and get some brief information about each university. So we give a brief history of each university, as well as a list of personalized scholarships for that university, and a list of some of the majors that are offered. You can take a virtual tour from our app of the official university tour if you're unable to visit locally. If you're looking for something in particular, you can use our filter function to search for a particular university. You can search by a part of its name. You can search by the full university name, or you can choose from a list of majors, degrees, or states. I'm gonna pass this to Bishara so we can tell you all about our map.
Outstanding, Nichole, thank you. This geolocation map was created with a Mapbox API with customized coordinates for each of the 107 HBCUs coded using JSON and JavaScript, and empowers students with the opportunity to interact with the application and learn more about the communities that surround the HBCU locations and how they can serve and be served by those communities. We wanted students to visualize their future and how they can see themselves where they want to be before they get there. HBCU Into the Future. We also decided to use Mapbox because we were already familiar with the front-end web development concepts, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is how we want to empower students to see themselves into the future. Some of the things that we use as technological tools to complete this development process was Replit as an interactive programming environment using the browser. It allowed us to go from idea to results as fast as possible. On the front end, JavaScript was used to create the image carousel, the top scroll button, and that control the carousel, as well as the hidden menu and the filter searches. On the back end, we use Python, Django to create, interpret, and render data from the database. Some project management tools that we used included GitHub, Google Sheets, Microsoft Office, Slack, Trello, and Zoom. We also wanted to make sure that students understood that we are more than conquerors. We wanted this application to be more than just simply a tool where you could see something about the HBCUs, but where you could also use it as an interactive application to empower yourself and see you into the future. HBCU Into the Future. Thank you.
Thank you so much.